The hidden dangers of water damage and clogged gutters lurk at every corner of your home, posing risks to its structure and your peace of mind. But there is a solution, and it starts with calling Gutters 101 for your free home inspection. We'll assess your home for vulnerable areas and create a custom water management plan. Rooted in the spirit of innovation for over 20 years, Gutters 101 proudly crafts every one of our patented gutter products with unmatched quality right here in the USA. Our gutter solutions are more than just parts. They're a harmonious system designed to seamlessly fit together, creating a permanent, watertight seal around your home. Plus, we ditched the subcontractors, adding an extra layer of quality and safety for our customers. Our dedicated in-house teams ensure every installation is perfect, making us the champions of customer service.
I would have never expected my foundation cracks to have been from water damage, but luckily, Gutters 101 caught it in time.
Take a step towards ultimate home protection. Enjoy a 10% discount on any gutter service, a testament to our commitment to your home's safety. The time to act is now. Don't let your home be vulnerable to another storm. Call 888-272-7217 or visit gutters101.com to join the ranks of homes protected by Gutters 101, where every drop of rain is managed and every home is protected.